Hello friends, hope so all of doing well, and in this quick tutorial we are going to fix Realme Narzo 20, Narzo 20A or Narzo 20 Pro Play Store not working or Play Store not downloading applications problem. So before the starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are first time on this channel. So to fix Play Store not working problem, first of all you just need to tap on settings and just go to app settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.